Welcome back to Lecture Series 2, Episode 6. And this is the last episode in this lecture series. So, in this episode, I'll be taking you through the similarities between medical doctors and chartered accountants. Over the years, I've made use of this analogy in order to help ICANN students, ICANN case study students understand the whole process in ICANN case study more deeply. I could remember the second interview before when I started lecturing that I went to. I made use of this analogy, and in fact, the interviewers they stood up for me and they were applauding that day. So today I will be taking you through the analogy also. So the first thing is that for medical doctors, when they get to the peak of their career, they become a medical consultant whereby they get their own medical facility and they attend to patients. So, who are these patients? These patients are what? They are human beings, okay? So also for chartered accountant, when you as a chartered accountant, when you get to the peak of your career, you get to become a consultant also, whereby business owners bring their business issues to you. And with our knowledge of business law, you will agree with me that businesses are also regarded as what? Artificial artificial human being. They are regarded as artificial human being. So in other words, medical doctors and chartered accountants, they deal with humans. So the other step is that when the patient or the human gets to the medical doctor will take this patient through a process known as diagnosis. Now, what does it entail? What does the diagnosis entail? Now, this process will make the medical doctor to understand the medical history of the patient. So the doctor wants to know what has been happening to the patient in the past. Want to know what has been happening to the patient in the past, and also what is happening to the patient at the present. Why is the patient coming now? Of course, these two will inform the judgment of the conclusion of the medical doctor about what could happen in the future, whether if the medical issue, whether if the medical issue is not treated, maybe it could result into death or something. So the medical doctor has to know the medical history and the present condition of the patient. So in order for the medical doctor to be able to predict the future, the medical doctor will subject the patient to series of tests. Okay, so it is from this test that we will be able to determine what the future looks like. So in ICANN case study, what we do is that the first thing is that we get a present case, a present part of the case story. And in this present, what we get is that we will be given the history and probably the present condition of the complaint. We'll be given the history and probably the present condition of the complaint. And then from when we get to the exam, we get to have the other part of the paper. Then we can make computations. These computations are synonymous to the series of tests that the medical doctor will subject the patient to. So it is from these computations that you as a chartered accountant can predict the future of the client in case study. So having done that, it is after the test that the medical doctor can now identify different issues the patient is going through. So we identify different issues the patient is going through, okay, from the test. So once you are done with your computations, then you get to identify lots of business issues that the company or your client in the case is facing. Now, that is not enough, but you need to make conclusion on of which of the issues is actually affecting the patient and the client in the case. So you get to make conclusion. Yes. Now, the issue you are going through, the medical issue you have now is diabetes, because of your diabetes results came out positive. Okay. Now, you also, as a chartered accountant and in case study, you have to make conclusion on what issue the business is going through. So you make your conclusion. Yes, this is financial issue, liquidity issue. Yes, so you get to conclude on those issues that the company is going through. Now, then for the medical doctor haven't made conclusion on the medical issue. Then he will now prescribe drugs in order to treat that medical issue. But unfortunately for us as chartered accountant, we cannot prescribe drugs. We can only make what? Recommendations in order to improve the business condition. So, what I've shown to you so far, these are the things that we'll be doing in the whole of ICANN case study. And your understanding of this will help you and will go a long way in order to pass ICANN case study. So, thank you for listening, and I hope to see you in the next lecture.